Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a squishy package. So yeah, I ordered from I Love Squishy, and also just to make sure that you have clicked that big red button that says subscribe, hit the bell and drop the like on this video. The bell will notify you on whenever I post a new video. So comment whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. Let's just get started. Okay, so the first squishy in this package is this medium-sized unicorn squishy. Okay, so let's give this a test. It is like really soft, but not that slow rising. I recommend buying this because it is more surprising, like when you actually start playing with it more. And like, I don't know what I ordered from this because I ordered it years ago. So let's get on to this. Is the second squishy. Look how big this is. This is like the size of my head. Okay, so I think this is what I ordered from ages ago. It is the rose cake. Yeah, let's give this a squish. So you can still see it's rising there. Okay, I'll take it out of the package. Okay, so this is the squishy itself. It's really smooth and it actually feels like a real cake here. Let's give this a squish. This is so soft. If you want to order from where I ordered from, then I might leave the link in the comment section. Okay, so also here is the cake packaging itself. Also, you cannot read that. It does say I Love Squishy. Okay, so that was all for this video. Sorry if it was kind of short, but I'll see you in the next one.